Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Deputy Speaker, for giving me the opportunity to present my speech of Budget 2025-2026 under Rule 241 of the Rules of Procedure of the Sindh Assembly. Now, moving on to the healthcare, I would like to appreciate and applaud Honorable Minister Dr. Ashraf Fazal Pecho's efforts in always looking out for the people of Sindh. PPHI, just to name a few games, there's a liver transplant being going on in games. JPMC is giving it its best. There have been robotic surgeries happening there. The mother's milk bank, which was introduced yesterday, she has always outperformed her counterparts in other provinces, and the other provinces, her colleagues also admire this fact as well. I would also applaud the NICVD and the SICVD in providing the cardiovascular solutions and cardiovascular healthcare system to the poor people of Pakistan. Thank you so much. Jia Bhutto, Pakistan Zindabad, Pakistan Payandabad.